Tuck my coochie. Hello. Today's Wednesday. We have 2 days till trash day. Why do I always clean like the day after trash day? Or like a couple days before? And then I just have all this trash in my garage. It's never the day before trash day. It's always the day after. Just so annoying. I always play myself like that. No, it always happens for me. It's not a sometimes thing. It always happens to me. Because I'm stupid. That's okay. Yeah, at least I'm fucking finally getting it done. Never-ending wave of changing shit. Ooh, big stretch, baby girl. Come here. Hi, princess. She don't like being picked up, but I'm gonna do it anyways. You're okay. You're okay. She's like, unhand me, weighty. Me not like this. She's my only baby girl, and I love her. She's not shy. She just she don't want to be picked up. That's fair. There's only 2 of my kitties that don't really mind being picked up. So, you know. Get off. Yeah, she just don't. She don't like being picked up. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hello. Gotta wait for this to...